Hey there, folks. I'm not sure I'm going to post this, but I wanted to give this one from the 26th another try. I had two solutions, one of which was 4 elements. That's 4 elements, and that was nice. And then this 2 element solution that did box shadows. And then what I'd like to do is see about using no elements, using the body tag and using all backgrounds, and seeing if I could get all the way there using that. So I think it starts with a conic gradient, and we know that cant angle there is 10 degrees for each of the elements. So I think that's so this is 20 degrees of arc. So let's do from -5 degrees, and then we did this color 10 degrees, and then that. So that's what that looks like. And I'm going to do star instead, and I'm going to remove the margins. Yeah, and then that gets me what I want. Okay, so actually, it's not from 5. It's -10, and then this is a 20-degree arc. And interestingly, it's not centered. So in theory, so already we have a little bit of a problem there. I think that puts the center of this a little lower at 50%, 50%. If I move that down, will that help? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That sort of works. That sort of works. Putting that center there, yeah. So okay, so because this angle doesn't quite have what we want, but we'll follow the thread. We'll follow the thread and see where we go. So this one would be from what? From 170 degrees. We need a comma. Oh, and I guess I need to do transparent. So rather than the light color, I need transparent so I can see through to it. There it is. And then this one needs to be at 45%. And that's how you get that shape. So we're sort of filling in. Not super exciting to my way of thinking, but certainly is there's something neat about it. Okay, so can we use that same sequence? And moreover, can we save? Well, I guess we don't want to. This 20-degree thing is going to repeat several times. So let's see if we can put that in a variable. Our G is this sequence, and then we put in a var G. Make sure we get the same thing. Dash G and dash G. And it's not working that I can tell. Oh, because we can't reuse it, because we actually want it to be transparent on, well, I guess we can. We're just filling in this magenta color. Okay. Next, I think we want 4 of these, I guess. Yes, yes. So let's do another one. And this is going to have a different from. This from is going to be, and it's going to, we need, so it's at 0, 0 is the background position. We need a width of 50%. We don't need a trailing comma there, so there's a mess. And just to keep it simple, we're going to put a body there. All right, so we got 50%, and we need a repeat Y. Now, we need that at value to be what, from 80? Okay, so that's sort of fair. And so this is going to be reversed. It's going to be 45, and we just from 45. Okay, now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. All right. So this is at 40. How about 45? 46, 47, 48, that's, no, 49, 50. Oh, so actually that's fine. That seems to be okay. So again, we're filling in the magenta. And so this next one, we want it to be at 50%. Yeah, that works. And we need the from to be different. That from is going to be 260. Oh, and then that's actually at 100%. Nope, 100% is where the background position is. Yeah, there it is. And I don't think I need the second number, do I? No, I don't, because I don't have a height. And I don't need it there either. Okay. So that's not bad. That's a pretty, oh, it's not that great. Okay, so we need to, let's adjust those numbers a little bit. 99, 98, 97. Okay, and then this one is what, 1%, 2, 3. That's pretty good. So yeah, this is not an efficient solution, but that's okay. Do we get? So this has me thinking that one way to approach this, it's going to change all the math. It's going to change all the math when I make the change that I'm about to do. So this is why I do these videos, because I learn things in them. So all these numbers are about to change, but the angles will be the same. So I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to start with the nested template, and I'm going to put this in a comment, flonk, and then I'm going to use the two colors that are here. We'll put the dark there, and we'll put the light here. And then let's refine this down. Let's refine this down using margins on the HTML. 5, 6, 65, 66, 67. That seems right. How about 90, 110, 120 rather, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how's that? It's not bad. Okay, so once we now that we have that, let's take our original solution and see where that puts us. I'm going to copy that and paste it into place. Oh, and I need to, actually I don't need this additional background thing. Boom. Oh, and I get nothing. I think I got nothing right now. Why? Because something is broken. Not sure what's broken yet. So I'm going to put, what? I'll put background color red. Yep. Oh, there it is. Not bad. Oh, so I have the opposite problem now. I actually want this color. Kind of. So now let's adjust those numbers. So each one of these conic gradients, let's adjust. So 56, 7, 58. And if that's 58, that's probably 42. Sure. And let's adjust these numbers. 90. 80. No, that's worse. We want, oh, okay. We want it at, where do we want it? We want to move it over. So the width of that. So now the way we're doing that is no good. So we need. So instead of the way we're doing it now, what do we want to do? Oh, we need the size. We still need the size, don't we? Yeah, we do. 100%, 50%, repeat y, and then we need this from to be at 100 pixels. Yeah, something like that. 90. Yeah, sure. Okay. We're kind of hacking on this. It's a fun one. Okay, so this from probably needs to be what, at 10 pixels? 0 pixels, minus 10 pixels, minus 20 pixels. Not great. Not really. Oh, and because we're at 0 here, don't we? Yeah, we want to go ahead and be at 0. Do we still need to be at? Let's see. Yeah, we do. We need to be at. Actually, we need to be at 0. What if it's at 0? No, minus 20 pixels. Okay. Oh, I wish this matched better. I like this technique a lot, but it's not really getting it done. I do love a CSS illustration. I've talked about this one, 92, 3. And just crafting these numbers is certainly very rewarding, but just a little bit wrong. Let's go 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then we'll make that 41. Okay. So I said that I wanted to use all gradients, but now I'm looking at the other edges here, and now what I want is a clip path, like, because this is kind of an exhausting solution. Polygon. Okay, so right now we got a clip path polygon. What I want to do is make 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's like, how many is it? 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So 50% minus 10 pixels. 100%. $10 pixels. 100%. 50%. 100%. All right, so I think I'm doing this wrong. Let's start again. Starting again, let's get the first 4 points. We'll limit it just to these. So 0, 10 pixels, 100%, 10 pixels. Yeah, this is the right way to do this. 100%, 90 pixels, 0, 90 pixels. So there's our first clip path. All right, so this number is too small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4. Okay. So now we've got that. So we need intervening points. So we go from here to here through 50% minus 10 pixels. Look at that. Not too bad. 1, minus 1, minus 2. Nope. Minus 2. There we go. There we go. I like that. Oh, I like that a lot. So that clip path is clipping the body in a really nice way, and I like that a lot. Okay, so then that means this is going to be 50%. Well, whatever the height is plus 2. 200 pixels, 202 pixels. Oh, that's not the right spot. Is that the right? This is the right spot. Comma. Delete. There we go. So let's do it. 100. Yeah, so there's 4, 5, 150, 51, 52, 53, 52. That's fine. So we need this spot now. So we need 100%. And then whatever the width is, and the width is probably something along the lines of 140 as well, or 152. Let's try 152. Why not? We got nothing. Why? Oh, because it's not greater, it's smaller. Let's try 140. Oh, that's doing nothing. How about 30? Oh, that's doing nothing. Why is that doing nothing? Okay. Oh, because it's the 100% number. It's actually 90%, 50%, something like that. There we go. This is why we do them, because we are humble and made humble by these puzzles, which are complicated. So then this will be 0 and 8%. No, that's not working. Oh, because I've got it backwards again. It's 8%, 50%. There we go. All right, let's submit this and see if we get 100%. I doubt it, but maybe. 99.9%. I'm going to stop there. I'm going to stop there. Can I make it work? I kind of want to make it work. All right, so that 1 foot, and let's move this down 1 or up 39. All right, now let's try that. Not very efficient, not mathematically pretty, not a good diff, everything against us. What else can we do? So some of those diffs are about what's inside. Each one of these could be a suspect. Again, these percentages are based on oh, it just makes me a little sad, because I was really hoping that a nice, clean mathematical formula would help us here, and it's just not getting it done. What if we change this G value just a slight bit? What if we change that from a hard 20 pixels to 20.1 degrees? Yeah. So yeah, what have we learned? I like to write clip paths, and I like to write conic gradients. They are not always good solutions. I think that's really the ultimate lesson here. I appreciate you watching. This is watch the other video. I'll try to make sure that I link to the original. This is still a fun exercise, and I do love a clip path, but I don't think getting to 100%, it's not efficient at all. You really want to take advantage of reliable pieces of code, and all of this is super customized code about a very minute position within the viewport, and it's simply easier to make 2 elements with black shadows, or 4 elements, each one with a slightly different angle. And this is the hard way. This is the hard way. Thanks for watching. If you watched, don't feel obliged to watch every video. Some of these are more for me than for anybody else. But take care of yourself, and have a good day. Go make a webpage. Take care. Happy New Year. Coming up soon.